Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SEO for franchise locations with Hibu, full guide step by step clearly. To restore SEO for franchise locations with Hibu, begin by assessing your current SEO status. Use Hibu's SEO tools to analyze your website's performance. Identify specific areas that need improvement, such as keyword rankings and site speed. Research and select relevant keywords for your franchise locations. Focus on local keywords that align with your business services and target audience. Update your franchise websites with the new keywords in mind. Ensure each location's page has uniquely optimized content. This includes location-specific services and relevant local information. Claim and optimize Google My Business listings for each franchise location. Ensure all information is accurate, including addresses, phone numbers, and operating hours. Encourage franchisees to gather and respond to customer reviews. This will enhance local search visibility and improve customer trust. Utilize Hibu's online directory listings to boost your location's presence. Make sure that each franchise is listed in relevant local directories. Create high-quality backlinks to your franchise websites. Reach out to local bloggers or businesses for collaborative opportunities. Monitor your SEO performance regularly using Hibu's analytic tools. Adjust your strategy based on performance insights and trends. Engage in ongoing content creation that reflects local community interests. Consider local events, promotions, or news relevant to your franchise locations. Stay updated with SEO best practices and algorithm changes. Continually optimize your websites to maintain visibility and rankings. Encourage franchise owners to share their successes on social media. This can drive additional traffic to their locations and improve overall SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.